Hi students, this is Revati, your maths teacher from Bharathasanan Metric Higher Secondary School, Arakonam. I am very glad to meet you again. Today I am going to continue 12th Mathematics, Chapter 1, Applications of Matrices and Determinants. So, children, what is the major application of matrices? That is solving the system of equation. Okay? So, today we are going to solve a system of equation from exercise 1.7, question number 1, that is solve the following system of homogeneous equation. First subdivision, 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0 and 4x minus 3y minus 2z equal to 0, 5x plus 9y plus 23z equal to 0. So, here we have three unknowns here, that is x, y and z. So, the number of unknowns is 3. Okay. The system is in the form of Ax equal to O. O is nothing but the 0 column matrix. So, A value, what is the A value here? That is nothing but the coefficient of x, y, z. In first equation we have 3, 2 and 7. Second equation we have 4, minus 3, minus 2 are the coefficients, and third equation 5, 9, 23. So, x is equal to x, y and z. O is equal to 0, 0, 0. Okay. Now, the augmented form of this matrix is A, O, which is equal to 3, 2, 7, 0 and second row 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 5, 9, 23, 0. Okay. Look at this matrix, all elements are entirely different. So, I am going to multiple this second row with number 3 and first row with 4. So, R2 implies R2 minus 4R1, and same as I am going to multiple this third row with 3 and first row with 5. Then we get R3 implies 3R3 minus 5R1. So, the answers are, I am going to multiple this R2 with 3. So, 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are minus 9, 3 2s are minus 6, 0 into 3 will be 0. Okay. And first row multiple by 4 means we get 4 3s are 12, 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 28 and 4 into 0 will be 0. So, subtract these terms, then we get 0, minus 17, minus 34 and 0. Okay. Now, I am going to multiple row 3 with 3. So, row 3 values are 5, 9, 23 and 0. So, multiple with 3 means we get 3 5s are 15 and 3 9s are 27, 3 into 23 are 69 and 3 into 0 will be 0. Then I am going to multiple row 1 with 5. Then we get 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are 10, 5 7s are 35 and 0 and 5 will be 0. Subtract this, we get 0, 17, 17, 34, 0. So, this is the value for R2 and this is R3. So, now our new matrix is first row as it is, it has 3, 2, 7 and 0. So, 3, 2, 7, 0 and second row values are 0, minus 17, minus 34, 0. And third row is 0 plus 17 plus 34 0. So, 0, 17, 34, 0. So, look at the last two rows, it has same value with negative signs. So, we directly add this, then we get the answer 0. So, I am going to add row 2 and row 3. So, R3 implies R3 plus R2. So, the final matrix is 3, 2, 7, 0, 0, minus 17, minus 34, 0 and final row is 0 minus 0 will be 0, 0, 0, 0. So, this is in echelon form. Now, the rank of A matrix is 2 but less than the number of unknowns. Okay. So, row of A is equal to row of A, which is less than number of row of A less than the number of unknowns. So, the system is consistent with infinite number of solution. Okay. Now, I am going to change this matrix as equation. So, we have the first column is the coefficient of x and second column is the coefficient of y and third column is coefficient of z. So, our first equation is 3x plus 2y plus 7z equal to 0. So, the first equation is 3x plus 2y plus 7z which is equal to 0 and second equation is minus 17y minus 34z equal to 0. Minus 17y minus 34z equal to 0. So, we have 3 unknown values but here there are 2 equations only. This is equation 1 and this will be equation 2. So, I am going to put z is equal to k . Equation 2 is minus 17y minus 34z. So, from 2 minus 17y minus 34k is equal to 0. So, we take this 34k to the opposite side, then we get minus 17y which is equal to plus 34k. So, we get the value for y, that is equal to minus 2k. Okay. Now, from equation 1 we have 3x plus 2y plus 7z. I am going to substitute these two value in equation 1, then we get 3x plus 2y plus 2, the value for y is minus 2k and plus 7z, z value is k, which is equal to 0. So, I am going to multiply these two terms, then we get 3x minus 4k plus 7k, which is equal to 0. So, 7k minus 4k will be 3k. So, 3x plus 3k is equal to 0. So, 3x is equal to minus 3k. So, x is equal to minus k. So, now finally we are finding the three values, that is x is equal to minus k, y is equal to minus 2k and z is equal to k. So, the solutions are x, y and z, which is equal to minus k, minus 2k and k. That is all. Okay students, in description box we have attached study material, question bank and self assessment. So, go through it. Thank you so much.